IBT29 from iHome. This Bluetooth color-changing dual alarm clock radio is always ready to get the party started quickly and colorfully. Choose from a full spectrum of light modes and colors to bring your favorite tunes to life with a visual performance like no other. With the press of a button, the IBT29 will illuminate with your favorite color, cycle through all available colors, and will even change the color to the beat of your music and more. To adjust the brightness and intensity of the light effects, simply tap the snooze bar. You can even wake to a light show of color that includes dawn, flashing, and glowing sequences. The IBT29 also features built-in speakerphone technology, so you can keep the light show without missing a beat. Designed with Resonate speaker chamber technology, the IBT29 will light up your room with an audio performance filled with depth, clarity, and superior sound. The IBT29 is a dual alarm system featuring Sure Alarm battery backup, an auxiliary line-in jack, and also a convenient USB port to charge your smartphone or other devices. Plus, with Bluetooth audio or FM radio, you'll always wake up glowing. Colorize your day. Morning.
Echo Spot.
Hi there.
A compact Echo with a screen that can show you the time, the news, your music, and a whole lot more. With Echo Spot, you can customize Alexa to help you rise and shine.
Alexa, good morning.
Up and at 'em, Tiger. It's 45 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Here's your flash briefing.
Start your day with a forecast, commute times, or the latest trending news. Staying in touch is simple. Call just about anyone hands-free, or make video calls to family and friends with an Echo Spot, Echo Show, or the Alexa app.
Alexa, call Jess.
Calling Jess.
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
Is everything okay?
Just ask to play music from Spotify, Pandora, Amazon Music, and more.
Alexa, play Emily King.
Shuffling songs by Emily King.
Listen through the built-in speaker, or for even more sound, connect Echo Spot to your external or Bluetooth speakers.
Alexa, turn it up.
Echo Spot works with compatible smart devices to set the temperature, turn on the lights, or check in on the little one.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Okay.
And with the adjustable stand sold separately, you can see everything from the perfect angle.
Good night, little guy.
With tens of thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter, and so will Echo Spot.
Alexa, good night.
Sleep tight.
The all-new Echo Spot from Amazon.
Good morning, Sophie. Time to wake up.
Bonjour. Let me sleep 5 more minutes.
It's not a great day to have a lie-in. You've got a meeting at 9 a.m.
What about the traffic on the road to my office?
The road is clear, but it's gonna get busy in 40 minutes. I advise you use public transportation. BART network, then Caltrain.
Okay, I'm getting up. Bonjour. Turn the temperature up.
Links to the products are given below. Which product did you find most useful? Tell us in the comments.